Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Today I thought I'd share my evening routine and how I get unready once the kids are in bed. I like to take a minute to myself to unwind and get ready for bed because I'm sure that any busy mums out there will agree that having a shower on your own with no time limit is literally like a spa experience. As lots of you will know, I've got a top set of veneers after a bit of a head collision with my little girl Ella when she was younger. And because I'm practically fueled by coffee, I'm regularly keeping on top of whitening the lower set of teeth so that everything matches up. And to be honest, the whitening trays are a bit of a faff, so I've recently been trying these wisdom teeth whitening strips and wanted to show you how I can easily incorporate them into my routine in the evening. After popping my hair up and away from my face, the first thing I do is brush my teeth as normal. And once I'm finished, I like to dry them off as much as possible using a clean cotton pad. The teeth whitening strips work like a plaster, so you just need to line them up with your gum line, then fold them back to the inside of your teeth and then press down it firmly into place. The whitening strips come up with a shade chart as well, so at the time that I started this, I was around a shade 8, so it's good to know that with continual use I could go up to 6 shades whiter in a week. And unlike some other treatments that I've used previously, I've not had any sensitivity, which is usually a bit of a problem for me, so overall so far I can't complain. And now that they're adhered properly, you can continue with the rest of the routine until the 30 minutes application time is up. Before heading into the shower, I like to try and remove most of my makeup using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Wash. This is my go-to at the moment. It melts my makeup off and is very gentle on my face. It balances my skin without ripping it of its natural oils, which I love, and it's also a reason why I sometimes use it alone. And then I pop into the shower and I wash my hair every other night, so tonight it doesn't need washed. Unfortunately, I have got extremely dry skin, especially in the colder months, so I like to use a body oil as soon as I step out of the shower. The one I'm using at the moment is a detoxifying oil by Spa, which is also very firming as well as nourishing, plus it smells unbelievable. The essential oils make me feel like I've literally just stepped out of a spa. Now that I have my pyjamas and dressing gown on, I continue to cleanse my face since the pores will be open from the hot shower. I'm starting by working some of the Spa Hydrating Cleansing Milk into my face and neck, and then I remove it with a cotton pad to wipe away all of the remaining makeup. At the moment, I'm also using the complementing Spa Floral Toner, which smells divine. It helps to close my pores and even out my skin tone as well, and I also find this a very relaxing and refreshing part of my routine. A few times a week I like to mask, and my current reigning favourite is the Kiehl's Cranberry Seed and Turmeric Mask. It leaves my skin so luminous and glowy and perfect for just before I need to apply makeup, but at the moment I don't need to use it because I've already done it twice this week. And then to hydrate my skin, I'm going to use the Spa Overnight Hydration Therapy Cream. I'm just going to pat that into my skin just to make it look nice and glowy. By this point, my timing is up for the whitening process, so I can literally just remove the strip, simply brush my teeth again, and I'm all finished, clean and ready for bed. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. All the products mentioned will be listed in the description box below if you'd like to check them out, and also try out the brand new Wisdom whitening strips too. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.